Yay! I am live! Hello everyone! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. It's quarter 6 past o 15 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening po dito, and it's Tuesday. So how's everyone doing po? I hope you are all keeping well and safe. Well, ako naman po is I'm having my dinner since it's past 6 p.m. na dito. And it's been a long while, maybe more than a week when I did my last go live kasi po I was sick for a week. Kaya po I was not able to do my go live because I was trying to get a good rest and regain my energy para po maging fully recovered ako. So ngayon po, kumakain po ako ng dinner. Kain po ulit tayo. My day was been busy kasi po since I was not able to do some training and courses on my online business. So I was catching up for the day about yung mga training po namin and courses. And I'm just really grateful po. Really grateful na kasi po yung business namin, hindi po siya, pwede po kayong pag nagkasakit or kung nagtatrabaho po kayo or anong ginagawa nyo is pwede po kayong mag-catch up sa mga training in a sense na yung training namin is in video form po. So, pwede kayong mag-go back uli sa mga na-miss yung training, which is really good, very flexible. Ayan po. Yun ang maganda sa business namin. Bukod sa it runs in automation all the time, basta na-set up na yung business natin. So, yung pong ginawa kong maghapon, aside from minding my apo, dumaan po dito kasi yung apo ko kanina, so I was playing with him. Medyo napagod po ako konti kasi galing pa lang ako sa pero nakakatuwa po. Yeah, nakakatuwa po na yung apo ko is, ayan, madaldal na po siya, magwa 1 year old. Alam nyo, very busy yung online business namin kahit kami ay naandito lamang sa bahay. Ang dami pong kaganapan, events na nangyayari sa aming global business. Just recently, last weekend, our team, not only my own team, but maybe hundreds of members do sa team mismo namin, na bigger team, we held a boot camp in Calgary. So, boot camp that was attended by 200 business owners, imagine. So, doing online business and then meeting up offline, it's a really good thing. And they shared loads of strategies para maging successful po ang bawat isa sa mga business owners. And also, yung mga inspiring stories po, kasi lahat po tayo merong mga stories na pwedeng i-share para yung mga new business owners ay mag-aspire, maging successful, para ma-inspire sila sa mga success stories po ng mga taong naging very successful na po sa business. Ang dami po, napakarami-rami talagang very grateful po kami na nagkaroon kami ng business na ganito. And kaya po, since it's Tuesday, every Tuesday, we are always holding a webinar, a complimentary live webinar po, kung gusto niyo manood, para malaman niyo po more about the business. So, it's Tuesday, 5 p.m. PDT po. You can Google your time zone. And sa amin po sa UK, sa Ireland, I think it's 12 midnight. And in the Philippines, it's 8 a.m. So, kung gusto nyo po na i-check, kasi napakaganda po ng business na to. Ang rami po ditong nababago na ang buhay, including my life. Kaya po, very passionate po ako na i-share to sa lahat ng taong makakapanood nito. Thanks for watching. Sa mga nanonood po sa akin ngayon, maraming salamat. And I hope you are having a good day. At sa mga manonood naman po uli sa replay, marami pong salamat. And maybe you can comment below where you are watching me from para po ma-shoutout ko kayo sa susunod kong go live. So yun po, ini-invite ko po kayo uli na mag-sign up sa aking webinar, sa aking website www.roselampilocchio.com po. Nandun po sa aking bio ang aking website kung gusto niyo pong malaman. And just check this out. Baka ito po yung chance na hinihintay nyo, opportunity na hinihintay nyo para magkaroon po kayo ng Plan B, second income stream na makakatulong sa inyo, na maaaring makatulong sa inyo para makapag-retire kayo early or mabawasan yung mga oras nyo sa trabaho kung gusto nyo po. Yun lang po, and maraming salamat po, and mag-iingat po kayong palagi. God bless. Bye!